All right, welcome. Hi, I'm Dean, and this is another episode of Coding with the Agent. Last time we were here, we did a little sandstorm, and it worked out really well. We learned things like how to randomize things, and we looked at loops again. And this one is kind of at the list of these tutorials. There's lots more, and we're going to go through more, but this one here I'm looking forward to. We're going to do leaping salmon, so we'll guide our salmon friends home, aim for the pond. Well, this looks interesting and fun all at the same time. So let's start this tutorial and see how this shakes down. Again, I'm really enjoying my journey. I enjoy posting them. Got some good feedback from these, and hope some of you are finding it useful. And I hope the style that I'm doing, and I'm just kind of doing one take, and we'll show that yeah, sometimes you make mistakes, and you make just the way coding is, and it's a great learning. I know. I've learned a lot, and I'm still making mistakes, but that's okay. But I'm also starting to, see some of the patterns that are coming with that. So I just see some exciting opportunities in the classroom to use this too. So I'm really happy to go through these tutorials, and it's really definitely building my foundation as a computational thinker and a coder. I've done some coding in the past, but I really enjoy this, and I really can see a lot of applications and a great entry point for a lot of students. And then once you learn how to block code, you can definitely take it to other things like learning, different, coding languages, because you have that experience and you know how to debug things and those type of things. So here we go, leaping salmon. We're going to test this one out. Now I wonder if I'm going to have to create a pond or this pond goes through, but we'll see. All right, this one, oh, Trident. All right, King Neptune, here we go. All right, so we will type in here Trident. Use a Trident. Okay, I'm hoping. We'll see. Oh, geez, what happened there? That was interesting. We lost something there. Okay, well, let's go back to player. And, oh, I see. It almost defaulted right to it. Weird. It had the trident on this item. We want the trident. So I'm learning something new here, and that was interesting the way it kind of went out. I will search for a trident. I want to make sure we have the right. There it is. The three-pronged trident, King Neptune. Hopefully it'll help us out. All right. So we have that matching up. That's excellent. Right, next part of this code. We want multiple fish to spawn for each trident use. So drag a repeat block on the items used. Okay, so we know that the repeat should be in. So we will put this inside. We want to use the trident 6 times, right? So I'm going to put that in there. There's the 4 to a 6. All right, this is interesting. This looks pretty cool. All right. The 6 in there, and we go to the next part. Looks like we're gonna have to get some fish in here somewhere, I assume. All right, now it's time. Yeah, there we go. Spawn salmon. So we're gonna use mobs because a salmon will be part of the mobs, and we're gonna get a spawn. Okay. Now I'm gonna go with this. I'm not sure if I need the coordinates, but I think I will. And it does say spawn, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need this. So I'm gonna tell this program 6 times. I'm going to want 6 salmon in here, and my animal will be salmon. All right, so click on that, go to here, sheep, cow, bat, sea turtle. Maybe I should use sea turtles, puffer fish. It's interesting that I don't have that the search didn't come up. Polar bear, maybe we should put polar. Well, we could have tropical fish. There's a cod, llama. What else do we have here? A parrot. Well, that'd be cool. Dolphin, horse, sea turtle. What's this guy here? Cat. Oh, yeah, we could herd some cats. This one here is skeleton horse. Where do we got salmon? Oh, is this one salmon? No. How about this guy here? All right, well, I just wonder, I'm just going to click off here for a second and just see if something weird happened, because I should have got a search, so maybe it's just being buggy. Well, it's really weird that I'm not getting the a search to find, so I wouldn't have to go through all this. But all right, well, we'll just take a look, and that's part of learning things, right? Sometimes you just have to take your time and figure things out. I don't think it matters that much if I pick a salmon or not, but I will. I could have picked maybe the tropical fish or something like that. I could put a villager in there. That'd be kind of funny. All right, mules. Mules would be cool. Squid. Interesting. Not sure. Is that a salmon? I see an S. Got cut off there. I'm not too sure. Now with this too, I could and see if that was the problem with me not being able to see things and use the space more effectively. Okay, well, I think I'm going to hopefully what I picked. Oh, see, look at that. It's interesting. If I put this over, oh wow, okay, that's salmon. I'm good. If it's salmon, then that's all right. All right, so here we go. We got that, and we got some salmon. All right, yeah, it's really weird that I didn't get a search bar on that one. It was kind of glitchy, but that happens. We'll make it so the salmon spawn to a random location to make it harder to catch them. All right, so we're going to use this addition. So we're going to go in here, and I'm going to put that into the spawn block. So I think what I'm going to do in here is drag this like I did in the previous one. So I'm building on to my previous skills, which is what drop that inside. And I'm going to move this over a little bit. Maybe I can see that a little bit better. And this says -6 and is 60. And this one here is -6. Oops, not -60. I just need a -6. And this one here is going to be 6 and 60 again. Okay, so that makes sense to me. For my Y, I'm going to put 60. And oops, not 600. Oh, I'll go back to that, and this is going to be 6. And that's my Z coordinate, and I'm going to go back to my Y, and I just want 60. Okay, spawn, good, looks good. All right, what's the next step? And I like this. I see what I'm doing. I have a trident, so when I move my trident, and it's going to go 6 times, it's going to spawn 6 salmon, and it's going to spawn in this random area. So I can think, and I can see way that you know, my thinking is going in the logic behind that, which is key to doing these types of activities. So just made some salmon leap extremely high. We should create a pond to catch them so they don't get injured when they land. All right, add a second unused item. So we're going to go back in player. We're going to go here because it's asking that. So this is getting a little more complicated. I like this. All right, so we're going to have a couple of things going. So we're doing this and set the item to kelp. All right, so hopefully I get a search bar on this one this time. Let's see what happens on that. I don't know what happened on the other one, but that's okay. We figured it out. And this one here, I want kelp. Kelp. All right, let's put the kelp in there. Dried kelp. All right, we're going to do that. And what's it want now? Drag a fill block. Okay, so we've done that before inside of blocks. And we're going to take, oops, we're going to take that and we're going to put that in the, okay. The flying fish, so this up the block to water. Okay, so we're going to take this. I think that would be this. Well, I don't want to replace though. Fill block. Well, I'm going to try this. I think this is what we need. I could be wrong. Okay, that one in there, nice. To land in water, so we're going to fill with, and we're going to fill with water. Okay. Oops, not sure what happened there. I don't want wood. I don't think the fish would swim very well in blocks of wood, so that's okay. Oh, I could put sponges in there. This is being a little glitchy this time around, but we're okay. And sometimes that happens. And now we're going to go into water and get the water going. So there we go. Excellent. Now, well, we'll see. Maybe the next part, but we actually have to put, like, maybe dig a hole here or something, put the kelp. let's see, what's our next step? Drag a fill block and put it on item used to the following fishing tool. Okay, well, we just did that. Okay, and the next thing we have to do here is finally we must change the size of our pond from the, okay, so this is what we talked about, right? I knew we had to do that, so I'm happy that I'm figuring this out. So -2, so I'm gonna think that's gonna help me like dig into the ground a little bit, but we'll find out unless it just hovers, but I'm not too sure on that. Let's go back on the F2. -1 and -2, and then this is going to be 2, and this is going to be, all right, oh, around the player. Okay, so this should go around me. This will be interesting. I wonder if the water is going to leak through or what's going to happen with that, but hopefully we'll see what's going on. And this has to be 2. All right, so that makes sense. So this is going to be good. All right, what's the next step? I'm trying not to check the light bulb out, but if I have problems, we'll come back and we'll see what's going on. All right, go in game and add trident and kelp to your equipment. Use the trident to make salmon leap high in the sky, then quickly equip the kelp. Oh, awesome. It's like, okay, well, here we go. So I'm going to go and load that program. And this is going to be really cool. All right, so I'm going to go E. This gives me my inventory. I need to put a trident, and there it is. So I'm going to equip myself with a trident and also equip myself with the kelp. So I'm going to search. There's the kelp. I thought it was dried kelp. Well, we'll see. It looked like I did get the kelp. And all right. So if I hit number 2 on my keyboard, oh, here they, oh, look at that. Oh my, that is so cool. All right, they're dying, but maybe if I kelp it, oh, look at that. Come on in, guys. The water's fine. Oh my, that is cool. And look at those guys that fell in. Now look, oh no. Sorry, guys, over there. Oh, wow. Oh, no, they're still falling. Oh, the humanity. That is cool. I guess maybe if I went over here, I can get more water, and maybe I have to be on it. Oh, wow. That is cool. Maybe I'll go like this, and we'll get some more fish. Oh, look at they're coming down now. Oh, poor fish. Oh, no. Because I know what. Oh, this is so cool. I totally get what's going on here. Oh, poor fish. That is cool. All right. Sorry. All right. That was kind of fun too. Sorry about that. There's some of you. Oh, let's see if I can save you guys over here. Get some water going. Get them saved. All right. Oh, some of them are like a fish out of water. That is really cool. Oh, they're still coming down. I guess I clicked a little bit too much. All right, well, let's go back into the code. That totally worked, and I totally had fun with that. I'm going to finish that because we did. That was interesting. I really enjoyed that. And sorry, fish lovers out there. No actual salmon were hurt in the making of this code. And yeah, I really enjoyed that. So it was really cool to make that active. Actually, I saw a tweet the other day too that was really interesting about this student built an entire roller coaster out of code. I'm gonna have to share that in one of my posts and that. But very cool stuff. So it's been another episode of Coding with the Agent. I'm Dean, and thanks so much for watching. And until next time, catch those salmon. Oops. All right. Bye for now.